To fix the SSL pending error on Shopify, you need to understand what SSL is and why it is important for your online store. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, a security protocol that encrypts data between your website and its visitors. Shopify provides a free SSL certificate for all its stores, but sometimes it may not activate properly, resulting in an SSL pending error. First, check your Shopify store's SSL status by going to your Shopify admin panel. Then click on Settings, and finally click on Domains. Look for the SSL status next to your domain name. If it says pending, then you need to take action. The most common reason for the SSL pending error is that your domain is not properly set up with Shopify. Make sure that your domain is connected to Shopify and that the DNS settings are correct. You can do this by clicking on the Connect Existing Domain button and following the instructions. Another reason for the SSL pending error is that your domain's DNS settings are not propagating properly. This can take up to 48 hours. So be patient and check back later. You can also try to manually verify your domain by adding a TXT record to your DNS settings. To add a TXT record, log into your domain registrar's control panel, navigate to the DNS settings section, and add a new TXT record with the name _Shopify domain and the value provided by Shopify. This will help verify your domain and activate the SSL certificate. If you are still experiencing issues, try resetting your SSL certificate by going to your Shopify admin panel, clicking on Settings, then clicking on Domains, and finally clicking on the three dots next to your domain name and selecting Reset SSL. It is also important to note that if you have a third-party domain provider, you may need to contact them for assistance with setting up your DNS settings and activating your SSL certificate. Make sure to follow their instructions carefully to avoid any issues. By following these steps and verifying your domain, you should be able to fix the SSL pending error on your Shopify store and ensure that your website is secure and trustworthy for your customers. Remember to always check your SSL status regularly to ensure that your certificate is up to date and active.